We're a national sponsor of LABC. We have done that for a number of years. We find that it's very beneficial for us. It's useful to keep in contact with LABC and their members. Foundations are a tricky thing. Normally, and quite often, local authority building control know about ground conditions in their particular area. It's also important that they learn themselves about what we within the industry are doing, and this is a wonderful opportunity and always has been for getting that message across.
I'm from the Chartered Institute of Building, and we like to have working relationships with effective other institutions and organisations within the industry. And I always find this every year excellent get-together to network with everybody, all the building control professionals, and it certainly works for us as time goes on.
The issues facing us all, realising that they are shared amongst us all, understanding how different people are tackling those issues and learning from them. If you sit in your own silo, you don't understand how other people work. So absolutely vital. It's extremely good value for money to come to an event like this where you can network with so many people from right across the country.
I think the thing about building control is it's real, day to day, right at the sharp end. You've got to balance the theory with the practice and get buildings built whilst not antagonising the client, the builder, the designers, the product suppliers and everybody. So a difficult job.
The topics are interesting, they're relevant. Building control is changing very, very quickly, and it's our one main event a year that enables us really to keep up with what's going on in the industry.
I think the vibe is very lively and buzzy here today, which is very good. Not being a building control surveyor myself, it's very good to see the regulation side and appreciate what the building control surveyors do as well. So I've had a good insight into that this morning as well, which is really interesting.
I did see the minister's speech, very good speaker, obviously being a minister. I think it's absolutely crucial really. I think it's a very good point really that that you do get to meet other people who are doing a similar role as yourself. And we're all obviously fighting for the same cause really, so it's good to network and get to meet other people.
If you were a building controller manager around the country, I actually can't see why you wouldn't come, because you meet all your contemporaries, there's a lot of networking, and there's excellent current speakers, etc., etc. I don't see that you actually could afford not to come to the event. Certainly for one day, I would have thought that you was absolute necessity.